Mr. Jimenez, Novartis reported a strong negative impact of exchange rate effects on the first half-year results. What do you expect for the second half-year? Will this continue?
Well, currency will have a negative impact for the full year. We've said anywhere from 9 points on the top line and 13 points on the bottom line. But the way to manage the business through times of great currency fluctuation is really to focus on the organic performance of the company. And that would look at it on a constant currency basis. And in this case, we have very solid performance. Our sales were up 6% and profit was up 6% in constant currency, and we believe that's the true measure of performance of the company.
Looking at the ultimate success stories of Cosentyx, Glatopa and Entresto, what are your sales expectations for these next blockbusters of Novartis?
Yes, we've had great success with innovation at Novartis. Entresto, which is our new heart failure drug, just received approval for shipment into the U.S. So this is going to be a very important drug for Novartis. The second drug is Cosentyx. Cosentyx is for psoriasis, and it's shown best-in-class efficacy with a very good safety profile. And so this also could be a multi-billion-dollar drug. And then the third is Glatopa. This is a generic version of Copaxone for multiple sclerosis. This will be an important drug for our generics division.
Concerning Entresto, are there any additional indications for this heart failure drug? And if so, do you have to raise your growth prospects for this product very soon?
Yes, right now we've said expectations should be around $5 billion for this drug, and that's only with the first indication. There is a second type of heart failure that also could potentially be treated with Entresto, and right now we're in a phase 3 trial. And if that trial reads out positively, yes, we would take the forecast of Entresto up again.
Novartis is already discussing with insurers about flexible pricing models for Entresto. Do you think that this pay-for-performance model could be interesting for European companies?
I think it could be interesting if Entresto really does help reduce hospitalization costs. That's going to be a tremendous benefit for health systems in Europe.
What about the lawsuit with the US Department of Justice and that civil fine of $3.35 billion US? Are there any out-of-court agreements to expect?
Yeah, we strongly dispute the allegations by the Southern District of New York. This case is about patient adherence to medicine. The Southern District of New York says that that activity is illegal, that essentially Novartis is paying for prescriptions. We think that is completely untrue, and we're going to fight based on the facts because we have good facts in this case.
Are you still on track with the expected full-year results, or was your outlook for 2015 perhaps too optimistic?
No, we are on track to deliver our results, and at the second quarter, we are taking the Sandoz generics business up in terms of expectations. We're taking Alcon slightly down, and we are holding Novartis Pharmaceuticals about where it was. So we are on track to deliver mid-single-digit sales growth and high operating income growth on a constant currency.